gently guiding through the flow. Twist and turn, the lines will show. Fingers dance with quiet grace. Knots that time cannot erase. Thread the needle, pull it tight. In the morning or at night, let your mind drift with the tide. Confidence will be your guide. Knotting waves in harmony, fingers tying like the sea. In the rhythm find your peace. Worries fade and tensions cease. Beneath the surface of the stream, hidden rhythms softly gleam. In the quiet moments found, joy and patience both abound. Silent whispers of the lake teach the hands what steps to take. Feel the flow and let it be, mastering the silent key. Knotting waves in harmony, fingers tying like the sea. In the rhythm find your peace. Worries fade and tensions cease. Knotting waves in harmony, fingers tying like the sea. In the rhythm find your peace. Worries fade and tensions cease. Beneath the surface of the stream, hidden rhythms softly gleam. In the quiet moments found, joy and patience both abound. Cast a line and let it fly underneath the open sky. Tie the knot, make sure it's tight. Gonna catch a fish tonight. Oh, the fish in life is grand. Rod and reel right in your hand. Hear the water's gentle flow, where the peaceful moments grow. Learn the basics one by one. Fishing knots are so much fun. Bowline or the fisherman's bend, it's a skill you'll always lend. Oh, the fish in life is grand. Rod and reel right in your hand. Hear the water's gentle flow, where the peaceful moments grow. With a hook and line you'll find tranquil days, they ease your mind. Knot it right, don't let it slip. Feel that tug on your grip. Practice makes you like a pro. Teach your friends and let them know simple joys in nature's land.